Here we have another project that is a necklace based on the netting technique. We start for step 1 with 9 seed beads. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. This is step 1. And we create a picot. And we skip 3, go back up the 4th. This is step 2. For step 3 we add 4 seed beads, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we connect them with the first 11-0. In this diamond that I have just added, I will call seed bead 2 and 3 as a bridge. So now we create the top loop that is made out of 4 seed beads, and we go back down through the bridge, through the second and the third in just one go, like this. Okay. This was step 4, and for step 5 we add 5 seed beads, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 1 4mm bead. And now we go create a loop by going back through the last bead in the bridge, and then we go back through the seed beads that have just been added in this step, and this would be step number 6. Okay. Now we add 2 seed beads and we connect with the first after the connector. This is step 7. For step 8 we create the top loop, which is 4 seed beads, 2, 3 and 4, and we skip 1, we go back through 2 and 3 through the bridge, and step 9 we create a loop, a bottom loop out of 5, 2, 4, 5 seed beads, and that will create a picot. So we skip 1 and we go back through the second. Okay, and this was step 9, and this is the sequence that we keep repeating to create the necklace the length we need. Let's repeat once again together from step 3 to step 9. So step 3 we add 4 seed beads, and we connect it with skip 1, connect with the second, here we are at the top loop, and the top loop is always made out of 4 seed beads, and with this we turn the work down, skip 1, go through the second and the third through the bridge. This was step 4, and now step 5 we add the sequence of 5 seed beads and 1 4mm, 2 4 5, the 4mm bead, and we create a loop by going back this last seed bead that the thread comes out from, and then we go back through the 5 seed beads that we have just added, not through the big bead, just the seed beads. This is the end of step 6, and for step 7 we add 2 seed beads. We skip one and we go through the second like this. Then step 8, we just create the top loop out of 4 and skip one, go through the bridge, so through the second and the third seed bead. And for step 9 we create the down loop with that picot, so 5 seed beads, 2 4 5, we skip this one and go back through the second, and this is step 9, and you just repeat for the desired length from step 3 to step 9. I hope you like it. I like it very much. Thank you.